So I am in my box truck right now. It's pretty cold now. I've had that AC on for maybe a couple hours. I usually try to turn it on before I plan on staying in here for a while. I'm going to try to organize. This is from the stuff that I was selling at these markets where I'm a vendor. And some of it's on Marketplace, and a lot of it is my stock to make clothes with, like just random scrap fabric. Well, it's a lot. I have to organize and then transfer everything from my brother's room into here. I'm going to try to take pictures of what I'm selling. I had to get a... what's that? This 4-outlet surge protector, 2 USB ports. Yeah, so I could, what's that? Charge my stuff. What else? And this is what I'm going to be using to put, shirts after I wash them, fix them, and post them online. Put them in these baggies. That's only for like t-shirts or something small. But yeah. I have all this dust covering protectors that I'm going to use for my mom's blazers that I've listed on Etsy. And then later on, I am going to make a video of what my mom has on her eBay store, because I feel like making videos on stuff would be better. Like, you could actually see it moving. It's better than pictures, I guess. So that's what I'll be doing for tonight. I'll take pictures of everything, but yep. Anyways, thanks for watching.